What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. If today's video gets a little bit weird, it's because Derek gave me whatever he's got and now I have no voice.
I did not. I just lost my voice because it's so dry here in Florida, man.
You guys are making out in Vegas.
We have video footage of you guys doing stuff on the couch together.
They're hugs. It's different.
Long hugs?
It's different.
Long hugs?
Wrestling.
Very long, tight, close hug.
Derek's in his element right here, checking out some C10s. What do we got going on here, Derek? What size engine is this? Looks like a big boy.
It's an LS or LS series. I can't tell you exactly what size it is unless I was like inside of it. So.
Get in there, buddy.
Get inside of it.
Twin turbo though.
Oh, like we can see that, yeah. Derek, when are we gonna step our game up and build something like this with all the engine plates and covers?
2 more years once I get out of the Navy.
Okay.
I think it's your turn to do a SEMA build.
Very nice interior, nice and clean and simple. Is that an air ride controller or what is that?
Yeah, that is. That's exactly what that is. Oh, yep.
Oh, well, there you go.
There you go. That's nice.
I like it.
That drive shafting. I'm sure you're not used to that. You're used to seeing them do that.
So yeah, that's the reverse.
Right now, because it's the first one we've seen, this is number one.
Number one? C10 number one.
Good luck going through all this content and like...
It's gonna be miserable.
Yeah.
What do we got here, Derek?
It's clean.
All right, we got us It's Clean 502.
Air ride, two-wheeler.
Look at this beautiful paint job. This thing is so sick.
Got an all fabbed out. I can't talk.
Just stuck. You got this.
It's a fabbed out cradle. It's got a racket pinion on it. Yeah, I can't. I'm done.
There's the interior. Interior looks super sick. Love the old school plaid pattern. And look at the tubs in the bed.
Oh, they raised the floor so they get the suspension underneath.
Got some Willwood brakes on her. This is like ideal Derek right here. This is the one, Derek. Yeah, this thing's sick.
I love it.
Look at this bad boy. Rocking some hostile wheels. Super clean. I like when these things are done just clean like this. Kind of like Derek's Escape 20. Just super, super clean. I like we got the built-in toolbox and the custom bed. We even got the whatever track rack system this is for tie downs.
So I hope you guys can hear this. This was actually started in the aeronautical industry. If you go on any airplane and look at how the seats are mounted in the airplanes, these are the tracks that they have them mounted down to. That's where these got their start from. They're awesome. All you gotta do is twist, and you can slide all the way forward, all the way back, or lift straight up. And then when you want to lock it down, you just twist that, pull, twist, down.
We might have found the baddest crew cab so far we've seen here. What do we got, Daddy?
Leaking.
It's leaking?
Leaking.
Yeah, found a few leaks on it already.
Uh-oh.
They're also got their Allison inspection port cover missing. It's all right.
It's all right.
Badge missing. You see the tape lines around the badges.
Apparently we're just picking things apart now.
It's a good No, don't get me wrong. I love this truss.
Oh, okay.
I'd take it in a heartbeat. Yeah.
Well, we should knock the price down and then we'll spend the $50 it takes to like put on the things you say are missing.
Yeah, it's probably like 50 bucks away from being done.
Yeah. I used to not be the biggest fan of these like drop cradle suspension setups, but they're starting to really grow on me.
Dude,
only for the fact that like there's not a whole lot of new innovative stuff when it comes to like the lifted truck world. I mean, any level lift kind of set a precedent, and now like in any level lift, especially at SEMA obviously, is a dime a dozen. Like there's so many of them. Not that that like makes them bad or anything. They're so awesome, but like I want to do something different. You know, there's also a lot of drop cradle bracket kits, but not kits, but a lot of these are actually like, you know, they're custom built. So maybe one day we do a truck like this. Oh, the Rockin' Fast from the homies Fast. All right, fast lift pump. You know what generation Duramax this is?
I couldn't tell from the bottom side.
This thing is super sick. What are these? 28s or 30s? 28s, 42, 15.5, 28s. Predator tires, not really sure about that, but oh, there you go. That's a good comparison. 28s to 30s, both on 42s. Yep, 42. These are 42 16.5s. Got a custom airbag setup down here. Looks super sick. Look at even the hitch. This is so cool. That's why I love these like frame off builds, is because they get to do stuff like this. Like you could have gone with a standard hitch, or you got the CNC plasma fired up. Like let's cut this whole design into the hitch as well. But again, at some point, even like these overlay things is gonna be played out. It might be close to it. I don't know. Probably by the time I do it, it's played out. Oh, what do we got? Is this a 70s? What is this? What year are we talking here? I don't know. I don't know these as well as Derek knows these.
60s.
60s?
Late 60s, early 70s.
All right. What do we got? A LLY swap, twin turbo. Jeez, this is dope.
Dude, this is sweet with the fender dump. Oh, I love the fender dump.
Dude, I bet this thing's loud.
Dude, like, I'm sorry.
That's like 3 feet of exhaust right there.
Hood stacks are cool and all, but that's how you do it clean.
Nice.
That's how you do it right there.
Look at this thing. This thing is sick. So I don't know if you guys can see through the windshield right there. Probably not. There's a nitrous bottle sitting right there. Oh, even that center console and that ratchet shifter.
This thing is sick.
Looking killer.
True bead locks, because you know they take it drag racing.
Yeah, me too. That's why I got bead locks on the Bronco.
Wait a minute.
What?
There's only one reason why you'd put bead locks on the front. There's no way.
It's for looks, dog. It's for looks.
There's no way.
It's not all-wheel drive. Danik, it's 4-wheel drive.
Dude.
It's 4-wheel drive. Yeah.
Jesus. Get out of here.
Dude, this is sick.
Yo, Ryan.
This is what we need?
You've
Is
been
this
talking about you wanted to do
That's it? Well,
something.
don't worry. Elevated Motorsport's going to sponsor fully a build for me next year.
Oh, are we? Are we? Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
Might do something here. Might get something going.
Race style wiring harness with bulkhead connectors proper.
Dude, this thing was done
Oh
clean.
my god, this is the best thing I've seen so far. All vibrant V-band clamps.
Are you good, bud?
This is the most talking Dedic has done all day. He is excited.
This is worth
This,
it.
Dedic, best so far?
In my eyes, yes.
Best so far. All right.
All the AN lines are done clean. They aren't just trying to like loop them and make them look weird.
Do you think this is a body swap?
Look at this harness.
Is this a body swap?
Yes, it is.
It is a body
It
swap.
is a body swap,
Oh,
yeah.
Do we deduct points for body swaps?
No, because it's done right.
Okay,
Yeah.
fair.
That's tough.
Dedic, we got to deduct a point.
For what?
Doesn't have a mirror. Incomplete.
Why would you have mirrors? I don't care who I'm blowing behind me. They're back there. Why are we looking in the past? Leave them back there.
All right, fair. What do you think will win, this or the sweet golf cart?
I don't know.
There you go. I like your style. Dedic, what do we got here, buddy?
Got a truck.
Thanks.
That's all I'm giving you right now.
68. Oh, jeez, guy.
Be better. Start this over. Got you.
Thanks, Chris.
So here we got a 1968 Chevy C10 from Mobile Toys Inc. All right, fully tubbed engine bay, looks really nice. I'd have gone for more of a flowier engine bay, but you know what?
I'm gonna guess it's from Alamo Customs.
Yeah.
I think Mobile Toys thinks there's the audio stuff.
Oh, maybe. I just glanced at the inner door.
That's where I figured you got that from.
Probably.
All right. This thing is super
this thing's
clean.
nice.
I like the
I
color
love-
combo.
Dude, the Chevy two-tones is where it's at.
Look at this thing. Super sexy. Beautiful paintwork. They got the the pearl white, but an actual true white, not like that yellow pearl white. Not a fan of that.
Nothing too crazy, nothing that like.
Is that all paint or is that? Oh no, it's like super high gloss wood stain. Look at how they even did the little details there with the little white. I don't know what that would be, like a trim detail.
I don't even know. I think that's just an accent.
Super cool. I love details like that where you can think outside of the box. Coming up here, Dedic, is that real carbon?
Yes, dude, that is
That
real
is?
hand-laid carbon. Look at the back side of it. Not much. Leave the camera on.
All right. What year is this, Dedic? Oh yeah.
That is sick.
What they do? Cut that panel out, or is the whole panel carbon?
No, so what? The whole panel's carbon.
That's crazy.
So they have the mold and they sit there and they hand lay all the little everything.
This is rad.
That is. Do the hood too, or okay, just the scoops.
Let's check out the interior here. What do we got, Dedic? Kept it pretty clean and original.
I love it. Dude, this is sick.
I like the honeycomb pattern on the seats
Okay, it's
there.
got the single hoop, the roll cage. It's got the door bar.
It's a 19s?
19s. Those are sick. I like those. I like those a lot.
It's even got custom calipers there. We have found another one. I mean, we've walked past like probably 100 or more old classic Chevys here.
How
but-
clean that dash is.
I mean, look at the center console, everything. I like the old school tweed carpet in here. This thing is sick. It's a crew cab. What do we got for an engine, Dedic? What are you looking at, buddy?
Take a wild guess.
That looks like a Ford.
Nailed it. Nailed it.
Is that a carbon fiber brake booster?
I mean, there's no way it's accurate.
That looks real.
Wait a minute. Yeah. That looks.
Nice.
That was not me. I'm out, Bailey.
What? You fart?
Somebody did over there.
Somebody farted?
Jesus, fuck, I'm
So
out.
they're gonna fart on this freaking beautiful thing? Jeez, this thing is super
Yeah,
sick.
if you come to SEMA, wash your farts. You can clearly ruin the experience for someone, just like that ruined for me.
You have farted since the day we got here.
Did you not smell that?
Yeah. Sour milk, bro. All right, we have found the way I would want one of these. I mean, lifted though, preferably.
No, this is where it's at.
Slammed is more Dedic style on
This is
these
where it's
old
at.
things, but look at this center console. This thing is freaking beautiful. I mean, this is a modern interior. Look at that whole freaking dash setup.
Yeah.
That looks like the 2024 or whatever GM truck.
Dude, this is insane. I don't even want to know what the amount of hours.
Jeez, look at it. It's got push to start, new window switches. Look at all the grain. It's got the Holley EFI whole gauge setup right there. Big old screen over there. Dude, this is freaking beautiful.
Look at the back.
If any of you guys watching this do interior work like this, just hit me up. I want to work together. I can't find somebody that does this kind of crazy to where it looks OEM, well, better than OEM, but it has that OEM style. It doesn't look like you like Frankenstein something together. This looks freaking like it was a 2024 inside of it.
It looks like a 2026.
Right?
If this quality isn't coming out in 2026, then we're headed in the wrong direction.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
Dude, this is
absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. This is up there on my list. This is in the top 3, I think.
Oh, Dedek excited. We got another one, guys. We got another one. Oh, this thing is gnarly.
Yeah, dude.
Dedek, this is far from a C10.
Yeah. This is a really cool. It's got a C10 body on it. That's about it.
Yeah.
Check out the inside. This is like, yeah. Looks like it's a sequential shifter too. So
Dedek, what is it? What year? Do you know what year Corvette chassis this is on?
The years. I can tell you it is a.
Well, the body's one thing, but what chassis?
Oh, I can't even tell you. It looks like a Corvette chassis. I know it's got a Corvette drivetrain in it.
Okay.
All right, so it's got the rear drive differential in it. It's got the torque tube in it, all that stuff. And I know I can tell just by where that is that the engine's pushed all the way back. You see how the dash is kind of further back and how the tunnel comes all the way back? Like, look at where that tunnel is compared to where the gas pedal is.
Right.
Your foot is just right next to that rear cylinder.
Gotcha.
They put it all the way back as far as they can for...
I know, I was looking at those buttons. You can't.
Oh, that's sick.
Can't not make me look.
So that's your battery disconnector.
Sickest vehicle right here at SEMA. That's the Tenet. I got one of those. I got the bigger model. That's an indoor model. I do like it. I do not own the indoor model, but I feel like we should get one for the house.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.